was the bell ringing earlier today, confirming Airtel Uganda's listing on the Securities Exchange. Airtel Uganda adds another 4 trillion shillings on the bourse, increasing its capitalization to 11 trillion shillings. Airtel's undersubscription for the market analysts lends a glimpse into Uganda's market.
So this IPO for me gives me a good benchmark of what is possible and what's not possible. Even if you put aside the institutional investors like NSSF, it gives us a good idea of how much money there is out there amongst the pool of retail investors. The past 3 IPOs have seen the number of investors range from 2,800, I think that was CIPLA, 20,000 for MTN, and now about 4,600 for Airtel. So that gives us an idea of how much the retail investors can raise from time to time for public offers of this nature.
Institutional investors like National Social Security Fund dominated Airtel's initial public offering, taking up over 95% of the shares. However, it's the low participation of the retail investors that has left authorities pondering on how to package the next initial public offering for small buyers to participate.
So yes, it raises a few questions about the understanding of capital markets and companies and how they operate. Because if you look at the effective price with the incentive shares at 90.91, that would be the effective price a retail investor bought a stock. It gives you a future effective yield, return on investment of about just under 11%. So you'd wonder why people would not look at this as a potential return on investment, because it's quite competitive with the money markets and the umbrella trust funds. So I think it's about knowledge and understanding of the capital markets and how companies operate. And we need to do more in terms of financial literacy and introducing this asset as a new vehicle for people to invest in.
The opening share price was at 100 shillings, and on day 1 of trading, it has stayed the same, with shares traded realizing 420,000 shillings. Airtel Uganda is due to offer dividends for the second and third quarter to its investors at the end of November 2023. Betty Ndagire, NTV Business.